Alright guys, we're out here at a remote farmhouse in India, about to do an altitude test. Let's see how high we can fly this drone.
Take off. The home point has been updated, please check it on the map.
So we lost some reception at 452. Oh, it is coming down. All right, 321 meters.
All right,
Oh,
so
wow, came down a
We're
lot.
trusting the process.
so Neil, give the people the update of what happened. How high did we go?
So we hit 470 meters.
How much is that in feet?
1,500?
Arjun with the mathematics.
Easy up there.
Crazy.
All right, stop the beeping, bro. Lo, let's look down.
Feet. Is it
It's
actually?
about multiplied by 3.
Oh, okay.
Because a meter is about 3 feet. Like a yard is 3 feet.
Yeah.
And I think a meter is slightly
You
more
can
than
start
a
to.
yard.